Looking for a plant that rules the shade? Let's dive into why hostas wear the crown. Welcome to the TN Nursery YouTube channel, your home for native plants and garden favorites. Today's blog is entitled, Hostas, the Queen of Shade Gardens. From emerald greens to golden yellows, even icy blues, hostas bring endless color variety. Smooth, crinkled, glossy, or heart-shaped, every leaf is a natural design piece. Tiny minis for containers or giants that feel like shrubs, there's a hosta for every garden size. Their dense, mounded shape keeps weeds out while adding lush garden borders. And yes, they bloom too. Lavender and white flowers bring summer elegance. Symbol of friendship and devotion, they're long-lived, dependable, and beautiful. Easy care, versatile, timeless. It's no wonder hostas wear the crown of shade gardens. Hostas stand out for their lush, colorful foliage that thrives in shade. Want healthy plants in your yard? Tap the link below and visit the TN Nursery website. Don't forget to like, comment which plant you'd love us to feature next, and subscribe for more garden favorites. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep planting.